Are you good at writing articles but bad at creating websites? Do you create your articles like this but struggle getting AdSense approved on your site? Then I have a real solution for you. Write articles for Hub Pages. Hub Pages is a service I found recently where you can put your articles and they will share all the revenue that the article generates with you. Not fully, but 60% of the revenue that the article generates will be transferred to your PayPal account. So there are multiple sources of income on Hub Pages. There are AdSense income sources and also Amazon affiliate income sources. And there is one more thing. You can also send traffic to your article and it will be monetized and Hub Pages will repay you. You will become a kind of affiliate, of traffic affiliate. I wrote today an article on lucid dreaming. This is my new article. I just submitted it. The articles need to be flawless, so they must contain images, they must contain clearly defined sections, lists, and also a video is recommended. So if you can write similar articles, then you are good to write for Hub Pages because they will approve your articles and monetization will start for your account. So all you have to do is sign up on Hub Pages and connect your PayPal account with Hub Pages and start writing articles. You have to submit your article to them. They will approve it or reject it based on how the article, how good is the article you submitted. If they approved 5 articles for you, then you will be allowed to submit articles without the review process. So you have to submit 5 articles, they have to review it and accept 5 articles for you, then you will be allowed to submit your own articles without the review process. And like this, you will be able to submit as many articles as you wish in a day if you want to. So yeah, I find Hub Pages a good place to go if you are good with writing articles but don't know where to put them, don't have a site, and you don't know how to monetize your content. So I will leave a description in the description of this video how to get to Hub Pages, how to sign up, and yeah, the rest is up to you. Keep on writing quality content for them and they will repay you. This was Szabi from CodeRevolution. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye bye.